today's class I am going to discuss about equal, double equal and triple equal concept in Verilog HDL. So now we move on the session. So let me write the example of equal. A equal to B. So here equal means B value is immediately assigned to A. So B value is immediately assigned to A. If B equal to 1 means after execution of this instruction B value is assigned to A. Now A equal to 1. This is the example of equal. Then come to double equal. So double equal means compare two logic bits. So compare two logic bits 0 and 1. So compare two logic bits 0 and 1. Example, A equal to 2 tick B 0 1 x, B equal to 2 tick B 0 1 is that. A equal to 2 tick B 0 1 x, B equal to 2 tick B 0 1 is that. The final result out equal to A double equal to B. Just compare these two values. So here condition is compare two logic bits 0 and 1, but here we assign the value 0 1 x and 0 1 z. This x and z is not comes under this condition 0 and 1. So here the result is x, don't care. So after comparing this value out equal to don't care. So out equal to don't care. This is the case 1. Case 2, A equal to 2 tick B 0 1 1, B equal to 2 tick B 0 1 1. So out equal to A double equal to B. So in this case just compare these two values, A equal to 2 tick B 0 double 1, B equal to 2 tick B 0 double 1. So both the values are same. So both the values are same. The final result out equal to 1. Then come to triple equal. So triple equal means compare four logic bits. Compare four logic bits. Here including 0, 1, x and z. So 0, 1, x and z. Example, A equal to 2 tick B 0, 1, x, B equal to 2 tick B 0 1 x. Out case equality equal to A triple equal to B. So here just to compare these two values A and B. So both the values are exactly matched. Both the values are exactly matched. 0 1 x 0 1 x. So out case equality equal to 1. The final result is 1. Suppose here A value is 2 tick B 0 1 is that, B equal to 2 tick B 0 1 x. So this means out underscore case equality equal to 0. It's not matched. So this is the example of equal, double equal and triple equal concept. Now I am going to write one Verilog HDL code by using these three methods. So as usual first you write module, then module name compare. So compare is the module name. Then reach 2 down to 0. 2 down to 0 A comma B. So in this concept I am taking two variables for comparing purpose A and B. Both the variables consist of 3-bit values. Then reach out underscore equal comma out underscore case equal. So this triple equal means case equality, double equal means equality. Then out equal comma out underscore case underscore equality. Then initial begin a equal to 2 tick b 0 1 x b equal to 2 tick b 0 1 x. Then out equality a double equal to b. Just to compare these two variables. The next one case equality out case equality a triple equal to b. Then display the result. Display a equal to percentage b a dollar display a equal to b percentage b out equality. Then dollar display a triple equal b percentage b out underscore case equality. Then n module. So in this program I am taking two variables a and b. A variable is assigned to 2 tick b 0 1 x. So a equal to 0 1 x, b value equal to 0 1 x. So here out equality equal to a double equal to b. Just compare these two variable values. So already I told a double equal means here compare only 0 and 1. So compare only 0 and 1. But in this case we have don't care. If don't care is present means the final result is don't care. So only compare zeros and 1. If any other bits don't care or result is present in this expression, the final result is don't care values. So here the result is out underscore equal to don't care. Then come to the next instruction out underscore case underscore equal to a triple equal b. So triple equal means exact match. So exact match of a and b. Here 0 1 x, b value also 0 1 x, both the values are same. It produces the result 1. So here result is out underscore case underscore equality equal to 1. Then display the value. Finally close with end module. I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.